Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change address on driving license in UK. First, open your web browser and search for gov.uk. Once the website opens, go to the menu at the top of the page and click on it. From the list, select Driving and Transport. After that, scroll down until you see the section called Driving Licenses and click on it. Now scroll down again until you find the Update Your License section. Under this section, click on the option that says Change the address on your driving license. On the next page, scroll down and click on the Start Now button. After that, select Continue on this device. You will now see a page that explains what you need before you start. If you already have a driver and vehicles account, you will need your email address and password. If you do not have a driver and vehicles account, you will need to confirm your identity to create one. You will also need your photo ID, your current home address, and possibly your previous address if you recently moved. Once you have everything ready, click Continue. The first question will ask if you are renewing your bus or lorry entitlement. Select the correct answer and continue. Next, it will ask if you are currently disqualified from driving in the UK. Select either Yes or No and continue. After that, you will be asked to sign in or create a new account. Enter your email address and follow the steps on the screen. Answer any questions that appear and complete the process to change the address on your driving license. Keep your current license until the new one arrives. You can legally drive while waiting. Once your updated license arrives in the mail, cut your old photo card in half and recycle it. After that, don't forget to also change the address on your vehicle logbook. Thanks for watching.